Watch this video.
Ask Lil Wayne who the first up. Ask Birdman who the first up. Ask Young Money who the first up. Ask Lil Wayne who the first up.
You know what I'm saying? Go follow your girl, Jeep Girl Unlimited. Y'all know what it is.
I see an old school car, not old school nipple. Yeah. Hey, Unlimited crew. What's up with y'all? Jeep Girl Unlimited. Y'all know what it is. Me and the fam headed to... So we're headed to Funky Town versus Dallas. Taking Killer B out. See if we can come home with the win. Y'all know how we do. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I gotta get some gas, y'all. I didn't realize I needed gas. I can make it to the gas station though. But yeah, so me and the hubby, Super Saiyan 26s on Instagram, and Nico Nivea 12 on Instagram. Headed out to the show with Hulk and Wonder Woman of MOE. Money over everything, Car founder and CEO. Almost a year in, you know, we came out October the 21st, 2019. So yeah, y'all see it. Got the Hook. Got Hook. And we got Wonder Woman. Yeah, we ready. I had to stop and get gas before we head to Fort Worth. We had to stop and get gas on the way to Fort Worth, you know. Hubby pumping the gas, Super Saiyan 26s. Make sure y'all go follow that boy on Instagram. Y'all already know, DEEZY CHEVY gang hanging with the kids today. You know what I'm saying? We have to pull them things out for the weekend. Make sure y'all go like, comment, and subscribe to DEEZY CHEVY gang. Going up out 2020 though. Long with this got pictures and stuff. Oh, them slingshots. Got the slingshot crew here. Got LaShawn. Y'all, we on YouTube. Y'all, what? Hello. Oh, that's a nice field right here. Yeah. Oh, I like that. That mug could beat every car out here. Beat every car out here, right there. Yeah, he said he wiped. He probably been wiping 30 minutes.
45.
45? Oh, Lord, he been wiping 45 minutes. Go on, give it to him, 5 to 10.
I didn't hear you, man. What did you say? This your boy 5 to the 10, a.k.a. Fever. Go on, subscribe to the channel. It's on the shirt. Yeah, follow your boy, man. Bless your boy. I'm trying to be like everybody else. I'm trying to get to the top.
Got Los Primos. Los Primos. Y'all go follow him on Instagram, man. Y'all at Los Primos.
All my boys be straight fire, ain't no retire. I'm the one they admire. I'm still to get it wiser. I'm forgot my flow whenever it expires. Ain't wasting no man. Do it for yourself, don't do it for the gram. One hit, one the bitch believe in my jam.
Yeah, like, subscribe, comment,
Times they take it.
Alright, I'm stuck in my head now. The DEEZY CHEVY gang.
Yeah, that's what I told you to start doing. I like that when you said at the end of that video. Nocturnal just pulled up. Knock. They still pulling in. C3? Ain't this still the C3? You got an Instagram?
Shot of 300.
Y'all see it? Go follow that boy.
YouTube, what's up? What's good? Pull up, man. We out here.
Got that eye.
Right there. Hold on. Yeah, you ready? You know what the fuck didn't come back.
Woman, I'll do it for you, sis, cause she, yeah.
How much is it? 25? Yeah. You gonna take our number?
Yeah. It's for you, ain't sharing. She got a, I'm finna call her.
What it do? It's your boy Moneybag, the pull-up king. With us, I'ma follow spring. I'm in that thing. Hey, we out here, man. Watch this video. Watch the video. What's up with it? It's your boy Turbo 504. That's too legit life, baby. You know how it is.
Got an Instagram?
Oh yeah, it's a major pressure, major_pressure 24.
Y'all heard him. That rap by AK Raps out of Dallas, Texas, you know what I'm saying? The captain of MOE. Say, make sure y'all hit that boy for them raps. A_K_raps.
Follow me on my YouTube channel too. Major pressure. Major pressure.
Major pressure.
Remember, don't let life stress you, just apply pressure.
God damn. Y'all heard that, man.
Hey man, what's going on, man?
It's YouTube.
On YouTube?
Yes. Go ahead, tell them what you wrote.
You got an Instagram?
Yeah, it's Nightcrawler_2SS. Y'all follow me.
Yeah, make sure y'all follow that man. You gonna hear her before you see her. Yeah, y'all heard. Y'all heard. SS Cherokee, man.
Okay, so you gonna come out, you gonna let me go.
Y'all heard her before y'all see her.
What's over there to eat, y'all? Hungry.
Give them your channel.
Go ahead and subscribe to SS Cherokee. Miss, you heard me before you see me. You already heard me, so you know what I'm talking about.
Huh?
So make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later on.
Huh?
Hey man, y'all come out here, man. Pull up. 2612 East Berry, Pocketown, Texas. We out here. You with this heat too?
It's a rough ride, ain't it, Junior? Get our number. Caesar. That boy Coyote KT. Ow!
What's up?
Ow! at her. Y'all look at her. Oh, she pretty. She a boa. I got a python. And I got a pig. A pig. Yep. P.small _ with a Z on Instagram. Oh, she pretty, y'all. Look. What's her name? Queen? Queen. She definitely a queen. Y'all look how pretty she is. And this mug nasty. Y'all look at them steps. Yeah. Y'all see it? You got an Instagram, man?
Yeah. Ortiz Pablo 08.
Spell it for him.
ORTIZPAB 08.
Already. Y'all make sure y'all go get that man a follow. Say, man, this what happened when you sell them t-shirts, you know what I'm saying? When you got that merch for sale.
It's a stimulus check.
You hear me? Give me your shit, man.
AOTs. Go see me.
You hear me? This what selling t-shirts do for you. And merchandise, you know what I'm saying? That's that GMB shit. Yeah. He got that thing wrapped. Y'all see it? Everybody going purple.
Yeah, Mopar, baby. Mopar game. Yeah. Oh, you filming too, for real. Oh, you hear me looking bad on camera like I'm you. I ain't no bully. I'm not no bully like shit.
Jeep life. Yeah, baby. Give me your Instagram. Period. Hey. Y'all see them kicks? Y'all see them? Hey, I'm gonna hit up Jordan. Okay? All right. Y'all see that winch on there? You got an Instagram? You got an Instagram? Give it to him.
Tisha J with 3 A's. _.
Okay, y'all heard? Give me your Instagram.
I ain't got no Instagram. You can follow me on Snapchat, Indy_1010.
Give me your Instagram.
Afro Rod.
Jeep Girl Unlimited. Y'all know what it is. We going up 2020. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Show your girls some love.